Well, everybody, when I was pulling up over here, I seen the big, what? Not the big one sign. I mean, the Planet Fitness sign, and look, the inside's almost done. There's a lot of workout recruitment in here. So, Planet Fitness will be opening pretty soon, everybody. So, we're going to take a peek inside. We got a lot of work in here. All the Planet Fitness equipment's in here now. We got the Planet Fitness. This is probably what the Kmart Big Lots is going to look like. Not Big Lots, but the Papa Level. This is probably what it's going to look like. It says, "Welcome to your Harrison Planet Fitness." Looks cool. We got that awesome artwork, whatever it's called. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm trying to get the welcome thing, but yeah, Planet Fitness will probably open first. Than that, there's the checkout counter. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see a little bit. I'm going to try to get it to where you can see it. Yeah, looks cool. Planet Fitness looks nice in there. Yeah, beside the former Gordmans. Yeah, we're gonna be checking out the sign. There is dumpsters out here. Like, check out the men's going everywhere. Stuff like that. So, let's go down. Okay, all right. We'll drive over to the big Planet Fitness sign that way.
Which way?
That way. I'll tell you, there's probably random stuff. There's probably random garbage in the road. On the road.
Where's the sign? Right there?
Yeah. And yeah, so the Gordmans sign got turned into the Planet Fitness sign. What are these country people looking at?
The country?
Sorry, these country people with their trucks are looking at me weird, like they've never seen a man holding the camera. Sorry about that, everybody. But yeah, there's the Planet Fitness sign where the Gordmans was. Drive up a little bit, real fast, and I could get the other sign out there. Well, in fact, turn that way. I'll just zoom in. If I really check it out. There's a little bit of it. Stop right there for me. Yeah, there's the Planet Fitness sign, and yeah. Okay, can you drive in the back real fast? Appreciate it. All right, yeah. But there's the Planet Fitness. Don't know when this Planet Fitness will open, but probably soon because everything's kind of done in there. So, but yeah, but I'll let you all know when this Planet Fitness will open. But yeah, inside the former Gordmans. But yeah, but I got this done fast. I remember the beginning when they worked on that. I wasn't expecting Planet Fitness to be done this fast, but okay. But yeah, everybody, here's the back of the Gordmans. Yeah, we got 2 dumpsters back here, just stuff like that. Yeah, there's that company who's working, I'm guessing. Yeah, but nothing much back here. But yeah, we're going to end off the video there. But thank you all for watching this quick construction update. We've seen a lot of interesting stuff inside the Planet Fitness, what used to be the Gordmans. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.